Welcome to Market Watch Daily. I'm TMI, and today we're talking about something we've all been waiting for the next bull market. What if I told you there are three powerful signals flashing green at the same time? Smash that like button and subscribe because we're diving into 6,000 plus words of data, technicals, politics, and sentiment that could signal a major market shift starting April 2nd. Let's break it down. Chapter 1. April 2nd, the technical launch point. Tom Lee of Fundstrat is no stranger to bold calls. But this time, it's not Tom, it's his head of technical strategy, Mark Newton, who's planting the flag. According to Newton, April 2nd marks a critical turning point, the beginning of the next major equity rally. Why April 2nd? Newton points to several converging factors. Seasonality. April has historically been one of the best performing months for stocks. Cycle analysis. We're coming off a multi-week pullback that fits the mold of a corrective phase within a broader bullish structure. Price action. Major indexes are sitting near key support levels and showing signs of bottoming. His forecast, a 7-10% rally in the S&P 500 from current levels, with growth stocks, especially tech and consumer, leading the charge. If history rhymes, this could be a textbook bull market breakout. Chapter 2, Trump versus the EU, Canada in the clear. Now let's move to geopolitics, which are playing a huge role in market volatility right now. President Donald Trump has made headlines again, this time threatening new tariffs on EU goods, particularly in the automotive and tech sectors. He claims the EU has maintained an unfair trade advantage for too long, and now, in classic Trump fashion, he's ready to impose steep penalties if they don't come to the table. But here's where it gets interesting. On the same day, Trump had what he described as a phenomenal call with Canadian Prime Minister Pierre Poilievre. The two leaders reportedly discussed a joint energy strategy, cross-border infrastructure, and even a North American AI and robotics framework. Markets hate uncertainty, but they love clarity. And this split approach tough on Europe, collaborative with Canada, may signal that the administration is carving out economic alliances with strategic partners while drawing battle lines elsewhere. For investors, that could mean volatility in EU exposed equities, but tailwinds for North American manufacturing, energy, and AI infrastructure plays. Chapter 3. Tesla's surge ahead. And finally, we have Wedbush coming out with a bold note. Dollar Tesla is set to double. That's right, despite the noise, Elon Musk distractions, and short seller activity, Wedbush believes Tesla stock could rally 100% from current levels in the next 12-18 months. Here's why. The robotaxi catalyst. Tesla is expected to unveil a fully autonomous, steering wheel-free vehicle later this year. If that launch hits, it could fast-track federal rulemaking and generate new revenue streams. Optimus A Humanoid Day. Before year-end, Tesla is hosting a major event to spotlight its progress in robotics and AI. These moonshot projects, once mocked, are now drawing serious investor interest. Energy and storage. Tesla's energy business is quietly growing, with large-scale battery deployments and grid partnerships in the works. Wedbush sees the recent dip as a setup for the next leg higher, with a bull case price target of $450 to $500 in the medium term. Put all of this together. A technically timed breakout window, a geopolitical realignment favoring us and Canadian markets, and a renewed bullish thesis on one of the most polarizing and powerful stocks in the market. And what do you get? Maybe, just maybe, the first signs of the next true bull market. Stay sharp, stay informed, and stay ready to act. This is TMI. Thanks for watching Market Watch Daily. See you in the next one.